Okay, so I have a problem. At the moment, a trade is a custom class that has an input field, an output field, and some methods. But being a custom class, when Unity decides to serialize it, I am forced to look at a foldout with each field on a separate line. It's way more complex than I need and I'd really like to fix it. So let's do that. Because I'm redrawing a class rather than a component, I'll use a property drawer instead of an editor. And because I'm using Unity 2022, I have the option of using UI Toolkit's far better create property GUI rather than IamGUI's on property GUI. First things first, I'll add some scaffolding and create and return a visual element called root just to make sure everything's working properly. And it seems like it is. Next, I'll create and add a style sheet and then add a label that shows the trade's display name. However, it looks a bit off, so I'll use that style sheet I just created and position it accordingly. Then I'll create a parent for the two text fields and style all three of them. It's looking good so far, but I think I can add one more thing to make it stand out. There should really be an arrow that points from the input to the output to signify that this is a trade. And now that that's done, I think it looks perfect. However, there are still some issues with responding to layout changes that even if I looked at the UI Toolkit debugger for hours, I still couldn't have fixed. But it's a necessary trade-off to get this instead of this. I do not intend for this to be a general introduction to UI Toolkit, but rather a tutorial to a specific solution to a specific problem that I had. But thank you for watching anyways, and see you in the next one.